Select the Advanced Promotion section from the Add section page. Here you can add, delete and reorder the items. Each item has an image, a label and an app action to perform when the user taps on the item. Here we are creating a screen navigation action to navigate to a single product screen. For this we need to specify the product, which should be loaded when the single product screen is opened. Click on Add Item to add the item to the section. Now click on the Add section to add the section to the main dynamic screen layout. Save the progress to see the changes in the device preview. As you can see, after clicking on the item, we are navigated to the single product screen. You can also adjust height, width and other properties of each items as you like. You can also change the section layout as shown in the video.